separated from him as through by a veil. Through he that natured,
She had returned
she
to
had returned to the mortal world. She did not truly
belong there
belong there
and suffered.
and suffered. Finally, the second brother, driven mad by
Hopeless longing,
longing, killed himself so as to truly join her, and so that took the second brother for his own. But though that search for the third brother for many years, he was never able to find him. It was only when he had attained a great age that the youngest brother finally took off the cloak of invisibility and gave it to his son. And then he greeted that as an old friend. Went with him gladly, and as equals they departed his life.
So, ayun. Tapos na si Gwyneth Jaina na magbasa. And napansin ko sa kanya na hindi niya pa alam gamitin yung mga comma and period kapag nagbabasa siya ng mga sentence. Then, may mga words din siya na hindi pa niya gaanong alam. Kaya nahihirapan pa rin siyang basahin. And overall naman, magaling naman siya sa English. So, konting push na lang, Miss Gwyneth Jaina, So, yan lang po ang ating meeting for today's video. And goodbye! Bye ka na! See you next meeting!